Hello guys, this is the Frank the Anointed FX, and today we are going to analyze the markets of this coming week. Last week, what about silver? Silver. So the silver pair, we analyze that it's going to come to this box before we can buy, but looking at it now, the silver pair has gone way up because of the dollar fundamentals. So dollar lose strength and the silver pair go up to this very level. So we're expecting it to come from that level down, or if you break this yellow line, then we'll start buying. You can't say that we will start buying now because it can never can tell because there's a lot of liquidity still lying fallow. And what moves market is liquidity, and market may not have the strength to continue until it has come to taking that liquidity. So for me, I'll be watching silver. If I see a correction like this, a correction in this form, maybe a correction come to from here, here, here to here, I will buy. You understand? You understand? But I will, assuming that they come to this level, this is the perfect place to buy. That stand now, I have looked at the trend line. That's the stand now, I have looked at the trend line. But in this kind of place, an indecision place, I can't decide whether to buy or not to buy. So this place I will be watching, I will update in Telegram channel when I will be entering. So guys, if you're not on our Telegram channel, do well to join. The link is on the description of this video. So let's go on. Don't want the video to be long. This is an Great Britain Australia. Well, what I'm thinking since the trade has not come to break this the validation line, I'm thinking of buying it up. I'm thinking of buying entering. So I'll be fine entering within the week. I will share the trade on our Telegram channel. And gold. Gold has done a wonderful move. I expect gold to come to take away this liquidity that is very place because gold normally doesn't move without liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity lying fallow. This very place, this line. So I expected it to come, but it come halfway and move on. Seeing that this place is not a five wave structure, it's A, B, C. I think when it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would have said that this is a wave 3. But this is still A, B, C. And this is A, B, C. Buying gold will be difficult for me. I will wait and see what the market is doing because the market can be tricky. You may see by Monday, by next week now, all the dollar news will now become strong. It will come down there and then take the liquidity and go. Good, don't move without liquidity. So there is liquidity lying here for him to take, for him to have the enough strength to move forward. Looking at the structure, according to the 18 wave principle, I can buy it from here though. Now watch it and see what happens in the market. Line this, looking at the line is supposed to correct. Look at it. This is W. This is I know this is X. This should be X here. But the way the team move halfway and move halfway here, I suspect that X is not over yet because of this movement. A drop off here will complete the X before another move upward. But if it didn't drop again, maybe drop halfway and starting move on to Y. This is Y level. I didn't really break this level. I was thinking of getting it to Y. But since it's not breaking this level and it's coming back and trend line like they are broken before, I think S has not yet finished. And X is going to come down. This is wave 1, this is maybe wave 2. Wave 3 is going to come down. That means dollar is going to lose value. And it's the buying of good. It possible, but I'm not buying yet. So I make sure what the market is doing. Okay, this is This is a Euro Great Britain. Last week, we make some profit from the, we enter from here. We enter the and once the market opened in Monday night, it gapped. So I closed my trade and I asked those in Telegram to do the same because I discovered that the pattern of this movement is not as good as I thought. I think the trade had to one more down move before it continues its uptrend. I think it's going to be a move that will come below here. It come below this line before another move up. So guys, keep your eyes open on this guy. So this one, Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is a great pair. I love trading bets. At this place now, I have no decision to make whether to buy or sell. Even though, according to my analysis, I'm supposed to buy from here, then take this profit there. Now the same, looking at what he did here, it brings confusion to my sense because the way I analyze trades is I analyze Elliott wave. What there is not Elliott wave there, it gives me a lot of head hash to identify what is happening. So looking at it now, it may be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. That means it's going to be a correction. A correction here. And if I see a correction, I will buy. But if I didn't see a correction, if it continues to go like this, I'll wait when it break up this place. And I'll start looking for buy. But if I see a correction here, I'll buy. But if it goes down like this from here down to here, that's a very perfect place to buy. Okay, guys, you understand now. So that's it. Great Britain, US dollar, very powerful one. It did an expanded flat. I did not notice it. If I noticed it was too late. The expanded flat would have been a perfect entry for us, but it didn't give me any entry to enter. See this expanded flat. Did it did this is A, B, and C. See the flat. So the flat did not give me any. It moved it. There's no any correction like this to enter. I did when I see after the movement now, it did a little bit correction down to this very level. Then I can buy. There is no correction to enter, so the thing jump out like that. So we miss a trade there. Window that I discovered that there's like the divergence is showing me that it's going to be a buy. But this movement bring confusion. So I was unable to calculate it well and it goes on like that. I thought it was going to come down more to this level before I could buy. But I haven't seen this. I know that it's going to go up to complete it waves. It's going to go up for sure to complete here. It's going up here to complete B. So I'll be looking for a correction to join the trade. There's going to be a correction. Anyhow correction, I will join to the other side. So guys, I told you before last week that this guy is going to come below this place. Can take a look and they come there, take a liquidity, touch this place and start moving. So what are we going to do? We're going to look for correction, a correction of this 5 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we wait for correction of this 5 wave, and then we'll join and sell and buy. Sorry, we'll join and buy. Okay, guys. Bitcoin. Told you guys about Bitcoin. Exactly what I told you. That's what Bitcoin is playing out. I said about Bitcoin that is going to come to this my marked level. That is when I'll start buying. Looking at it, he had made it to that place. Can you see that? So see the Bitcoin now. This is wave A, this is wave B, and this is wave C. So Bitcoin now has made wave 2. Now it is time for Bitcoin to boom. So anybody buying, if you want to buy Bitcoin, this is the right time to buy Bitcoin and keep till December. This is the first wave. This is the second wave, and the wave 3 is coming. Wave 3 is normally been getting too high. Going to get so high. So there may be, oh, there may be, there may be. Let me show you something. Bitcoin may come down again from here to this place before it started buying. So all the same, if you are buying to for investment, you can start buying here. Even if you come again, continue buying. But if you are buying for trading, I think you have to wait for see correction. How you react to this level before you start buying. I'll update it on Telegram channel. If you are not there, get to the Telegram channel. S&P made a higher. Expect S&P to do wave 4 to this trend line. But instead, I think he did wave 4. He did wave 4 on this place and continue going his way. Can you see that? He did wave 4 here and continue going his way. Now, same thing. I expected it to do correction to this place, but the correction finished here and it find its way up. So find its way up again, going to wave 5. So wait till the correction comes where we can enter. So this guy just playing around. I've entered already because it's a sell. He have declared himself sell, but he refused to sell. US $30, the Jones. So he have refused to sell since you have been walking around the sales round, but he have refused to sell. Looking at it in 15 minutes time. So let me show you something. So he did an A, he did the B, he did a correction here. I thought it was over. I came here and did the B, and I did another A, another B. So he's doing another C. So I expected it to come to this level before you will start buying. So don't be surprised when you see it close to your stop loss. You understand? It may come close to your stop loss. I have another pending order here. Display place. I'm confident of this trade as going to sell. You know, that's why I have another pending order. At this very 86.6, I have another pending order there, and my stop loss is very small. So I'm not afraid of anything. I've already calculated my losses. If I lose, it's part of the trade. And if I win, it's a huge for me. Looking at this chart, you can see we have done A, B, C, this is and wave A. This is a wave B, this is another wave, this is another one. And this is 5 wave up. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you did another correction. This is going to come up again to this value place. By this correction I'm seeing, I suspected it's going to come up. It's going to come down here and come up again here before any bigger sale will come. I think that is all, guys. So what other else? Okay, that is all, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I would like you to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also invite your friends who trade forex, who want to know about forex. I'm doing video of how to analyze trade very soon. I will drop it on my Telegram channel, so it will be there for anybody want to see. Our Telegram channels are VIP, but we don't charge any money. It's free of charge. So do well to be there and enjoy your trade. Yeah. Okay. Bye for now. See you next week.